Good morning, student. Now, today is the same chapter, straight line, and straight line. Then, now, question number 12 and 13. Question number 12. Now, a line passing through x1, y1. Now, question number 12. Exercise 10.1. Chapter is a straight line, and now a line passing through the point x1, y1. This is line, and the line is passing through is a point is given x1, y1, and now is another point is a x comma k, and if the slope of line is given, slope of the line is m. And now proving part, k minus y equals to m into h x minus 1. Now look here, slope of the line given 2 points. Now what is the slope of the line? Slope of the line, now 2 points are given, then m equals to formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Then slope is m. y2 minus y1, that means k minus y1. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Right. So, now k minus y1 upon h minus x1, and now the cross multiply, then m is multiplied by h minus x equals to k minus y1, then k minus y1 equals to m h minus x1, hence proved. This is equation of line. Now, is the question number 13 is again very important. Now, if the 3 points, now given 3 points, A point is h comma 0, now the B point is A comma B, and C point is a 0 comma K, and this is 3 points lie on a line, that means 3 points are collinear. And now the proving part to prove, and now the proving part, then A upon H plus B upon K equals to 1. This is the proving part. Now, okay, student, 3 points on a line. That means this is the condition, 3 points are collinear. This is diagram, this is one y-axis, this is x-axis. Now, given is a 2 point, 1 point is a point is a h comma 0, and now the B point is a 0 comma k, and the third point is a C when A comma B. 3 points is the same on the line, that means 3 points are collinear. So, now first thing, now find the slope, then this is the 3 sides AC, BC and AB. Now, find the slope of any 2 sides, then slope of the line AB. Now, look here students, find the slope of the line AB. So, what is the slope of line AB? That is the x1, y1, x2, y2, then formula slope m equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That means 0 minus k upon h minus 0. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, right? Then minus k upon h, this is the slope m1. And same thing, now find the slope of the line. First is the slope of AB. अब आप स्लोप BC का फाइंड कर सकते हो, AC का फाइंड कर सकते हो. नाउ फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन AC. दैट इज द सेम फॉर्मूला, राइट? m इक्वल्स टू y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस 1. तीनों साइड में से कोई भी 2 साइड का आपको स्लोप फाइंड करना है, राइट? देन इज द AC. दिस इज x1 y1, दिस इज x2 y2, देन b माइनस 0 अपॉन a माइनस h. This is slope m2, right? But now according to question, that means given points A, B, C are collinear. You know student, collinear, that is the same on the line, and collinear, that is what is the condition of collinear, what is the condition of 2 lines are parallel, then m1 equals to m2. Slope are equal. So what is m1? Then minus k upon h. And what is m2? B upon A minus h. And now the cross multiply, right? Minus k is multiplied by A minus h, and B is multiplied by h. Then is a minus ke minus plus kh equals to bh. Then k is this side transfer, So KE plus BH equals to KH, and now dividing by HK on both the sides, then K upon HK, right? BH upon HK and KH up HK, then HK to HK cancel. Now H to H cancel, K to K cancel, that is A upon H plus B upon K equals to 1. Hence proved. This is the equation of line. So student, exercise 10.1 been completed. Now exercise 10.2 is depend on 5 formulas, and 5 formulas is the first formula when equation of line passing through one point, then point slope form. So first thing is the identity of formula of line. किसी भी इक्वेशन का, किसी भी लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है. सो नाउ लुक हियर, इट्स द फर्स्ट फॉर्म. Then equation first, where is my marker? Yes. Now is the first form equation of line in point slope form. Now look here, exercise 10.2 is depend on 5 formulas. Now is the first formula, then equation of the line in point slope form. That means is a one point is given, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, then is a point 1 point on the line x1 y1, and now slope m is given. So उस कंडीशन में फॉर्मूला y माइनस y1 इक्वल्स टू m x माइनस x1, राइट. ये फॉर्मूला इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इन स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म, यानी कि अगर आपके पास में क्वेश्चन में स्लोप इज गिवन, पॉइंट इज वन पॉइंट इज गिवन, देन अप्लाई दिस आइडेंटिटी, दैट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. ये फॉर्मूला कैसे आया? आपको स्लोप m दे रखा, एक पॉइंट x1 y1 दे रखा, आप एक अनदर पॉइंट ले सकते हो, इज अनदर पॉइंट q इज x, y, और इन दो पॉइंट गिवन हो तो आपको स्लोप फाइंड करने की आइडेंटिटी मालूम है, दैट इज y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. स्लोप m इज गिवन, तो आपका ये फॉर्मूला प्रूव हो जाएगा. सेम सेकेंड फॉर्मूला, व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन? Equation of the line in 2-point form. You know student, 2-point form, then 2 points are given. So formula is y minus y1 equals to x minus x1 but multiplied by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the equation of line in 2-point form, right? When 2-point form, this is diagram, this is, there are 2 points, is a one point is x1 y1 and is another point is x2 y2. 2 points are given, तो उस कंडीशन में स्लोप का फॉर्मूला y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1, सेम फॉर्मूला, ओनली m चेंज इज y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. इसको भी आप प्रूव कर सकते हो, एक अनदर पॉइंट r लेके x, y एंड देन फाइंड एनी टू साइड, फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ एनी टू साइड, देन फॉर्मूला प्रूव हो जाएगा. नाउ फॉर्मूला नंबर थर्ड, इक्वेशन of the line, equation of the line in slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. You know student, slope intercept form, that means this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and now this is line. Slope m is given, and now what is intercept? कोई भी लाइन x y-axis को, x-axis को जितनी डिस्टेंस पे कट करती है, दिस इज इंटरसेप्ट, राइट. ये लाइन y एक्सिस को अगर c डिस्टेंस पे कट करती है तो दैट इज द c इज अ इंटरसेप्ट ऑन दिस इंटरसेप्ट. दैट मीन्स x कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0, y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0, दैट मीन्स इंटरसेप्ट c इज गिवन. तो उस कंडीशन में फॉर्मूला y इक्वल्स टू mx प्लस c. What is m? M is the slope of the line, and what is c? C is the intercept on y axis, right? When only single intercept on y axis is given, that is y equals to mx plus c. Now is the fourth form. What is the equation of line? Equation of the line in intercept form. In intercept form. You know student, intercept form, that means this is y axis, this is x axis, then is the line, right? O is the origin intersection of axis 0 comma 0. A is the intercept on x-axis, then coordinate of A point A comma 0, and B is the intercept on y-axis, that is a coordinate 0 comma B. Where two intercepts are given, then इस condition में formula x upon A plus y upon B equals to 1. बुक में इसका प्रूफ भी है, सेम मेथड से स्लोप से ही प्रूफ कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ फॉर्म, इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म. तो फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज द पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म, second is a 2 point form, third is a slope intercept form, and fourth is the intercept form, and last is a 5. Then equation of the line in normal form. You know, in normal form, then x cos theta plus y sin theta equals to p. What is theta and what is p? Now look here, this is diagram. This is line, then O is the origin 0 comma 0. What is theta? Then theta, a perpendicular line, this is perpendicular line OP, length is small p, p is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line. And what is theta? Then is the angle between perpendicular line and x-axis. This is angle theta, right? So this is the normal form, x cos theta plus y sin theta equals to p. Now look here, this is equation of line in 5 forms. Now for example, in exercise 10.2, question number first, second, third, fourth are very easy question. Then question number first is write the equation for x-axis and y-axis. You know, student, on x-axis y, that is a y equals to 0, y coordinate is 0, and on y-axis x coordinate 0. So what is the equation of x-axis? That is a y equals to 0, and what is the equation of y-axis? That is x equals to 0. Now second question is passing through point. Point is given, second question, point is given minus 4 comma 3, and slope is given, slope m is given 1 by 2. Slope is given, point is given, and find the equation of line. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 8 में ओनली फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके आपको लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है. स्लोप इज गिवन, दैट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. नाउ इन अ स्लोप, point slope form, equation of the line, right, and point slope form. You know, student, point slope form, y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Y minus y1, this is point x1 and y1. Now y1 is 3 and x minus x1 is a minus 4, so minus minus plus 4, and m slope is given 1 by 2. So now the cross multiply, 2 is multiplied by y, 2y minus 6 equals to x plus 4. Then is the equation of line, then x minus 2y and minus 6 transfer, that is a plus 10 equals to 0. This is answer equation of line and point slope form. Now the second, now given 2 points, then question number third is the same, question number fourth is same, right? But question number fifth, now question number fifth, then intersecting x-axis at a distance of 3 units to left the origin with slope is minus 2. Now given slope is minus 2, slope is given, but point, first thing, now draw the diagram, right? Equation of line ka question number fifth, then intersecting, this is a y-axis, this is x-axis. Now a line, find the equation of line, but intersecting x-axis, x-axis को intersect कर रहा है, but where? At a distance of 3 units to left of origin. This is origin 0 0, and left to origin, this is left side, then is 3 distance 1 2 3 unit. So this is the point A is on x-axis, y coordinate is 0, x coordinate is a minus 3, y is the negative side. So point उस लाइन का इक्वेशन जो इस x-axis को intersect कर रहा है, this is right. Then and slope is given 1 minus 2. Slope m is given minus 2. Slope is given, point is given. Now again same formula. What is the equation of line and slope intercept form? Equation of the line, then y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Y minus y1, this is x1, this is y1. Y1 is 0. M slope is given minus 2. And x minus x1, x1 is minus 3. So minus minus plus 3. Then y equals to minus 2x minus 6. Then 2x minus y plus 6 equals to 0. This is the answer. So equation of line K 1 to 7 question is totally depend on 1 point formula, 2 point formula, slope intercept form, right? So please students solve exercise 10.2 only question 1 to 7. Thank you.